Hello friends, this is tutorial number 76 in this Java programming language tutorials. Okay, in previous tutorial we create class of vehicle with 5 fields and also created two classes, truck that extends a class of vehicle with 2 more fields that we added, and also a car that also extends a class of vehicle, and we added 1 more field. And in this tutorial we will create a class with main method. Okay, it will be application, and we will create a main method. Okay, and let's create a truck. Truck1 equals to new truck. Okay, and let me see the fields. Okay, brand, model and color. Brand will be Iveco. I'm not so familiar with trucks. The model, okay, model can be, I know, for Turbo Zeta, the model of the truck. And the color will be blue, for example. Let me see another fields. Okay, we have a brand, model and color. We need a performance and number of chassis. Okay, performance can be 100, and the chassis will be, okay, we can simply put a number. Okay, and now we need the rest of the fields. We have a number of chassis, we need a payload, and also number of wheels. Okay, payload will be 3500, and number of wheels, okay, 14 will be okay. And now we have we already created a truck. Let's create a car. Car1 equal to new car. Okay, and now the brand will be Peugeot, and model it can be 306. Color will be white. Performance, okay, it can be 60. Number of chassis, let's put a number of chassis. Okay, and we need acceleration. Okay, it can be 7.3 F because it is a float, semicolon. And let me just copy. I will copy and I will paste. We will create another car2 equal to, okay, it can be Toyota. Model it can be Carina. Color red. Performance, okay, 80. Let us put some number of chassis. Okay, and acceleration it can be 6.2 F. Okay, now we created a truck, we created 2 cars. Let's try to print something. Okay, we can system out print line. Okay, truck 1. We can use, for example, color. Okay, we want to print color of truck. Let's see if it will work. Okay, as you can see, we have a blue color. And okay, let me comment this. We can simply use toString. Truck 1. We can print whatever we want from the truck, or we can simply use toString to print all complete truck, it is toString. Okay, we completed all characteristics of a truck. As you can see, brand Iveco, model Turbo Zeta, color blue, performance 100, the number of the chassis and payload and number of wheels. Okay, which is great. Also, the same thing we can do with the cars. Car 1 toString. Okay, and also system out print line car 2 dot toString. And let me see, let's run. Okay, as you can see, we have a car Peugeot, model, color, performance, also the for Toyota. As you can see, here is the truck and this is a car, which is great. Now, of course, we could create a class of motorcycle or bus to extend the vehicle. But one more thing. Now you will ask me, can we extend a car or a truck? And yes, we can. And let's quickly do one example. Let us create a class, new class, and it can be trailer truck with trailer. Okay, let's finish, and we will simply type extends a truck. Okay, and we need one field. Okay, we can put some field. We need to add the field because it needs to be different a little. The field, it can be payload, integer payload of the trailer. Okay, it should be enough. Okay, string int. Very clever from from my side. It's a private int. My mistake, sorry. And let's create a constructor. Source generate constructor from superclass, and it will be from superclass of truck. We will generate. Okay, we have data, but we need this payload of the trailer to copy, and we will simply okay, number of wheels, we will put 1 comma and space, and we will paste the payload of the trailer, which is great. And also here we will need this dot payload of the trailer equals to payload of the trailer. Okay, our constructor is finished. Now we need getters and setters. Source generate getters and setters. Okay, payload of the trailer. Okay, let's generate. And also we will generate toString. Let us generate toString. Okay, but let's first these inherited methods, let us put them in front. Okay, and let us select. Okay, we will select payload. Okay, this toString we will not. Get brand, get model, get color, get performance, and number of chassis. It will be good. Let's generate. The only thing is it is good, but now as you can see we have the first thing that we have is get payload. First we need to fix that. It will be only payload, and get, we need to delete get. We will repair this get and brackets, get and brackets to delete. And also we have a color, get color, we will stay with color, and also get performance, and here get the number of chassis, only will stay number of chassis. Okay, and the rest is fine. The only difference is it is better when you have first model, brand and model, but we can change this manually, but for now we will leave them. The most important constructor will be brand, model, color. Okay, if you want you can change this manually. I will not change it now. Control Shift and F, Control and S, and let's create a trailer track. Okay, let's continue. Trailer track, it can be TT1, for example. We'll create only new, equal to new trailer track. Okay, as you can see we have, oh, it is better. Brand, model, I need to use this way more often. Okay, brand, it will be MAN, for example. I know MAN. Model, I don't know model. Okay, we'll cargo model. Okay. Color, okay, it can be gray, and performance, it can be, okay, 100, it doesn't matter. The number of chassis, let's number of chassis will be, okay, let's put one number. It is better to be with caps lock. Okay, payload, okay, we can put 8, or okay, it can be 10,000. Number of wheels, okay, I don't know, 28, for example. Oh, or I don't know, if only okay, 20 for. And payload of the trailer, okay, we will put 5,000. Okay, and we need a semicolon. Okay, and we have our trailer track, and we will simply system out print line. Okay, TT1 dot, we can get, for example, get, as you can see, get color, get model, get brand, Control Shift and F, Control and S, and we will see, okay, MAN. Let's comment this, and we can simply system out print line to print complete track, TT1, and to string, and let us create. Okay, as you can see, trailer track, but first we have a payload and number of wheels, and then we have a brand, model, color, performance, the number of the chassis, payload of the trailer. As I already told you, if you want to first get a brand and model, it needs to be fixed manually first, to put this brand and payload number to put after that, but we will not gonna do this now. I wanted to simplify this to string. You, of course, to string you can write manually, but it takes it needs time, and for the tutorial it is not good. But if you in the future, if you create some simple application, you can manually write to string or manually to repair this. But for generating, it is generated to string, it is good. Okay, I really hope that you understand this inheritance. In the next tutorial we will do some more complex application with inheritance to you understand it better. Of course, you can practice this a little with our next application. I think that you will understand this pretty much good. Okay, that would be all for this tutorial. If you like my video, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Also, you can follow me on Twitter and Instagram. You have a link in the video description. And of course, see you in the next tutorial.